How you doing today?
I'm doing all right, man. I'm just trying to get home.
Okay, my name is Deputy Parker with the Hamilton County Sheriff's Department. So we ended up getting a call that your bumper is dragging and that you were, I guess, weaving all over the road.
Definitely not weaving.
Okay.
Just trying to get home. The reason my bumper is fucking down is because it's been like that for a week. Been
Well, what happened to
trying
your windshield?
literally just now.
Okay, well, what'd you hit?
I didn't hit anything.
Okay, do me a favor, turn the car off for me real quick.
No. No.
Hey, bro, you're gonna turn the car off, okay? 2S2, can I get a backup for a...
I didn't do anything.
A driver listening to his own cooperative. Step out of the car.
No. I don't have to. Do
Yes,
you have a warrant?
I don't need a warrant.
You actually do need
Get out
a
of the
warrant.
car.
You actually do need a warrant.
Oh, I know. Get out of the car.
Dude, fuck you!
Did you fucking just hit me?
No, I
Turn
didn't
around.
do anything.
Get on,
What are you talking about? I didn't even hit
put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm just trying to fucking wipe my nose.
Fucking grabbing my leg and what's wrong with you, bro?
Nothing. What are you talking about? What are you doing?
Told you to get out of the car.
I
You
literally...
didn't get out of the car. Stop grabbing on me.
What are you
Stop
talking
grabbing
about?
on me.
I'm not grabbing
Roll
on
over.
you.
Roll over.
Nobody's doing anything to you.
Sit up.
I literally
Sit
can't.
up.
I can't do anything.
Sit up.
I can't do
Sit up.
anything. I can't do anything. What are you talking about? I don't have anything. I don't have anything. I promise.
Bro, how much have you had to drink today?
I have not had anything. You fucking splattered my
Stop
blood.
fighting me.
What are you talking about? Look at my blood.
Dude.
Help. I'm not fucking doing anything mean.
So I'm gonna have one in custody.
Dude,
Yeah, red bank unit here. The suspect is still fighting.
I'm not fighting. I'm just trying to let go.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Look. Like, literally, look.
Yes, you are.
Dude, you're trying to be mean.
Chill. How much have you had to drink today?
Nothing.
You're a liar. I can smell it on you.
Can you tell me why? Ow, ow,
Well,
ow.
nobody told you anything. Like, I gave you orders just to get out of the car. You didn't get out of the car.
No, I did.
You grabbed me.
No, I
This is
did
what
not.
happens.
I did not grab you.
Chill.
I'm so...
Shut up. We're done. Bro.
Okay, I'm sorry. I wasn't trying to grab you.
Bro, yes you were.
No, I wasn't. You fucking punched me in
Dude,
the
this
face.
is why, this is why you look the way you do right now. Yeah.
Got him cuffed?
Yeah, he's already cuffed. Get up. Bro, I hope you did not just spit that shit on me.
West 1. Suspects in custody. Start 20, please.
Put it on the ground, dude.
He spit
I'm
on the
not
ground.
trying to, like, get
Did
you.
you get him? Can I get a backup for a driver listening to his own cooperative?
I'm clearing a unit that can be en route to 2.
West 3. Go on, I'm in route.
3 and 1 clear.
I'm right down from there. I'll be in route 2.
29 clear. Two status. 2 status check. 2 West 2 status check. $99. Can you advise how far out you are?
Passing over Cookville right now.
I'm clear.
Can we get a red bank unit here? The suspect is still fighting.
I'm clear.
What do you want me to?
Clear. All units clear the air for West 2. All units clear the air.
Go on, I'm out with him.
I'm clear.
Three on C.
3 clear.
West 1. I got sex in custody. Start at 20, please.
Clear.
You can open it up before everybody else goes.
I'm clear. You advise to resume normal?
Yes, ma'am. You can open it.
I'm clear. All units resume normal on West Main. All units resume normal on West Main. Can you advise on injuries? 92 clear.
I'm so close.
Be so drunk.
It ain't happening now.
So drunk. I'm really hot. You're definitely something.
Anything on your pockets or anything on you? I do not. The knives, guns, fingernails.